Taxes, everyone's favorite topic, right? But whether you're excited or groaning, there are some big federal tax updates in 2025 that are worth paying attention to. So let's break it down in simple terms. Picture this: you put in a bunch of extra hours, get a nice fat paycheck, and don't get taxed on your overtime pay. Sounds amazing, but don't get too excited yet. A bill to eliminate federal taxes on overtime passed in the House, but it's stuck in the Senate. If lawmakers finally push it through, it won't take effect until October 2025. And workers wouldn't see that change until 2026. So for now, that extra cash you earn, Uncle Sam still wants a piece of it. Every year, the IRS tweaks tax brackets to keep up with inflation, and 2025 is no different. Here are the key numbers. Standard deduction is now $15,000 for single filers and $30,000 for married couples. The top tax rate, 37%, kicks in at income over approximately $600,000 for individuals. What does this mean? If you were making less last year but sitting in a higher bracket, because of course they changed them, it might soften the blow a little. For most people, it just means adjusting tax strategies accordingly. Are tariffs the hidden tax of 2025? Big changes on the trade front. New global tariffs are shaking up import costs, and some experts say they'll end up bringing the biggest tax increase since 1951. Here's the deal. Higher tariffs on imports means higher prices for businesses and eventually higher costs for everyday consumers. So while this isn't an official tax hike, if you're noticing prices increase at stores, taxes might not be the only culprit. In other tax news, the IRS has its eye on private jets. If you happen to own a business aircraft, well, first of all, congrats. Second of all, the IRS is watching. Officials are cracking down on executives who mix personal and business travel on corporate jets. More audits are happening in 2025, which could mean higher tax bills for those who haven't been keeping things strictly business. Basically, if an executive has been using a corporate jet for personal vacations but reporting it as a business expense, the IRS is likely to step in and challenge those deductions, potentially leading to back taxes and penalties. Final thoughts. So what does all this mean for you? While tax brackets are shifting, major tax cuts like eliminating taxes on overtime aren't here yet. And while tariffs aren't technically taxes, they could make cost of living more expensive. The moral of the story? Stay informed so there are no surprises at tax time. If you want me to keep an eye out for more updates, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.